All right, so buddy of mine, Jesse, and myself decided to do a little river fishing on Friday. It was a rough start. We forgot the tripod for the camera, and then we both thought we forgot our phones. We missed about 20 fish and a bunch of good video that we probably could have had, but I've got some short clips before my phone died. Check it out. It's a nice one.
Of those in here. Asshole took my fucking body. That was my last body.
Beaver hunter Jesse Brown.
It's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
For the Grand.
Little Grand River fishing. Nice fish, Jesse.
Thank you. You'll probably be mad at the release, huh?
No, it's perfect. I mean, I literally thought that it was a perfect entry in the water. Lofted him just right.
Damn it, dude.
He should have been in Tokyo. Nice little hammer handle. It's got a leech stuck on him.
This was not the fish I had at first, Corey.
I know. He went after the fish that you had. So probably that fish jumped off. It's a good thing we fished with all this rubbish that padded his landing. Hang on. Beaver hunter. Got him on a 5-inch Yamamoto Super Grub. Okay, that's enough for that. Cause
Here
goes.
Wore him out, huh?
Warm up. Plum tuckered him. And it's like almost like fishing in creeks. It's a lot of work because you got to move the boat around all the time. There's stuff all over the river, but these things fight like pit bulls. They're fighting the current all the time, and when they hit hard. It's fun to catch them. Brown bass. If you made it this far, hit the like button. Better yet, hit the subscribe button. Be nice to see the viewer count climb. It's been a while. That's what happens when I don't post videos, but thanks for watching the Beaver Hunter Outdoor channel.